So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial where in this tutorial I'm going to discuss how you can set the screen recording location saving file in OBS software. As you know, OBS software is a very convenient and an open source software for recording the screen and streaming the videos. It is an online streaming platform. So via this method you can set the location of saving your screen recording videos. It is very conveniently if you want any specific folder to be selected for saving the file that you are recording using OBS software. So all you have to do is to just simply open the OBS software. When you open the software, you have to find an option of settings. You can see at the controls window you find an option of settings. It is just right there. When you click on the setting, a window will open right in front of you. Now you have to find an option of output in the left window of this window. You can see it just right there. When you click on this option, again a window will open right in front of you with a lot of features, a lot of options, and you have to go to the option of recording. You can see at the top of this you will find an option of streaming, recording, audio and replay buffer. You have to go to the option of recording in this section. When you go to the option of recording, all the settings of video recording has been opened right in front of you. You can change any of the settings you want. For this video, if you want to change the output location, you have to just simply click on the option of file path or URL. You can see currently it is set to the default videos folder of my computer. I just simply hit app browse and I can select any of the folder in which I want to save my videos. For example, if I select this, you can see I've selected my E drive. Now all of the videos file that I record using this OBS software has now going to be saved on my E drive. So you can select the file folder or the location in which you want to save the screen recording or any type of recording in OBS software. Once you set it as per your convenience, just hit apply and OK, and it's a simple process. I hope this video will be interesting for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials all in your way. See you in the next one. Take care.